Imagine a world where your next heart transplant doesn't come from another person, but from a machine, a 3D printer, crafting life itself. It sounds like science fiction, right? Yet, this is becoming a reality in advanced labs around the globe. Scientists are now 3D printing living human heart tissue using real human cells. And it's not just tiny fragments. Some of these printed tissues can actually beat, pump, and mimic real cardiac function. This groundbreaking process is called bioprinting. Instead of ink, these printers use bioink, a mixture of living cells and biological scaffolds. Layer by layer, they recreate the complex geometry of human tissue, forming tiny blood vessels and muscle fibers that contract just like a real heart. The ultimate dream? To one day print full size, transplant ready human hearts, custom made for each patient using their own cells. Imagine no more waiting on transplant lists, no more risks of immune rejection. Just a perfect match, printed on demand. Every year, thousands of people die waiting for a heart transplant. This technology could eliminate that agonizing wait entirely. It could end the global shortage of organs, not just hearts, but potentially kidneys, lungs, and more. We're talking about a future where no life is lost due to a missing donor. While fully printed hearts for humans are still a few years away, significant progress is already being made. Scientists have successfully printed mini hearts, cardiac patches, and complex vascular systems in the lab. Clinical trials are on the horizon, and the pace of innovation is accelerating. Layer by layer, researchers are not just building tissue, they're building hope. Hope for millions who are waiting in silence, hoping that one day their heart won't need to come from someone else. Because your new heart might just come from a printer.